What's good, y'all? It is Certified Waiver. Like I said, man, I'm changing my name to Certified Waiver. It's no more so wavy, man. Certified Waiver, man. Certified everything, man. Make sure you that person. You feel me? You certified no matter what you do. What you doing, where you going, who you are. Make sure you certified. You feel me? But in my last video, I spoke about my mic, and I want to talk for a little bit. You know, and I want you guys to listen to the audio. The audio you guys are listening to right now, this is my Canon T7i audio, right? This is the mic that's built inside my camera. Listen to the quality, right? In the comment section below, I want you guys to tell me the difference between my camera, my Canon T7i audio, the mic, compared to my brand new microphone, VideoMic Pro Plus. Yeah, that's what it is. It was very expensive. Very expensive. It's $300. I got this from Best Buy, right? So I got this mic, you know. It was very expensive, but I did not care because I wanted to show myself that I will work hard, right? I will dedicate this YouTube. I will dedicate anything that I do, you know. Certified, you hear me? So, listen to the audio, man. I guess I'll tell you guys about my day. Listen to the audio. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. In a few minutes, I will put this microphone on my camera, and I would like for you guys to tell me the difference between the new mic and the audio that's coming from my camera, right? So, I don't know. I went to the store and I went to Best Buy to try to get my mic. They didn't have it. They didn't have anything, bro. They didn't have the lens I was looking for, which is what I'm recording on right now, right? I'm still getting used to it because it's so zoomed in on my face, right? So zoomed into my face. I mean, something to get used to, right? You know, so they didn't have the lens. They didn't have this mic. They didn't have nothing. Right? I went to 3 Best Buys. I went to that Best Buy, maybe like 5 minutes away from my house. They didn't have it. Went to the second Best Buy, right? They had the lens, but they didn't have the mic. So I didn't want to, you know, I wanted to get both at the same place, right? So I went to the third one, it was like an hour away. They had it. I was excited. They had the one that I can just test on my camera. It looks good. The quality is phenomenal. You know, I got the lens. Right, so I don't really know too much about lenses and cameras. Right, I went to photography school for maybe 2-3 weeks, so I knew a little bit, but not too much. Right, so we gonna rock with it, man. We gonna see what it's looking like. You know, what I gotta keep getting used to is the lens. It moves when I move. You feel me? It moves when I move. So I'm not sure if y'all hear that sound and the audio. Right? Yeah, so it's trying to auto, there we go, right? So that's something to get used to as well. So we got this lens, it's way better than the last one, that's all I can ask for. We got this mic, right? So it's a big ass mic. It's a big ass mic. I mean, let's open it up, man. Let's see what it look like. Hold on, I don't wanna rip the box up. Give me a sec, Give me. God damn, open it goddamn box. There you go. Here we go. Open it up. Yeah. It comes with a battery. Right? Comes with a battery. I didn't even think it came with a battery. I would have thought that since I plugged the headphone jack inside the camera, it just runs off the camera, but whatever, it's fancy. So it comes with a battery. It comes with, smell like marker. It comes with a USB cord, right? Comes with this big ass rolled mic, right? I rock with it though. I rock with it for sure. What I was trying to actually YouTube before I even went to Best Buy is the settings. Let it zoom in. Zoom, zoom, zoom. That's set. Ooh, I love this lens. The lens look good as hell, don't it? It look good. Anyway, the settings, right? So if you guys know anything about mics, anything about this mic specifically, right? Help me know. It's like, it says, what I do know, it says 75 hertz, 150 hertz. Well, they don't say it, but it says 75 and 150. They stand for hertz. They say -10 and +20. I have no idea what that means. If you guys know, please let me know. But what I do know, that this mic quality is really good. It's way better than my Canon T7i mic, right? My mic, it sounds not horrible, right? It can get the job done. And me, I don't want it just to get the job done. I want my every quality, everything to be top notch. So this is why I went out to get this one, right? So what I'm gonna do here, bear with me, bear with me. I'm going to look, right? Hold on, let it zoom in on me. That autofocus irritates me. All right, so check it out. I'm gonna open this up. Put the battery in, you feel me? How to, wait. Hold on. I put the battery, no. There we go, I think. Okay, nope, I'm assuming I put it in backwards. Let's turn it around. It's not coming on. It is not coming on. 1 second, man. Hold on. You know, it's crazy because people don't read instructions. Because in the instructions, it could have clearly told me how to work this damn thing. I think go like that. Nope, don't go like that. Nope, don't go like that. Okay. My assumption is that the battery is not charged. Right?
Oh my God! Wow! Oh my God!
I would assume, because when you buy a phone, you buy anything, and you take it out the box, it's at least on 25-50%. I'm gonna pause. Right? Give me like 5 minutes. Give me like 5, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, right? I'm gonna come back. When I come back, it should be at least on 50, 40% or something. And I'm gonna place it on. I'm gonna let you guys hear the quality of this mic. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys do have this mic or know someone that does have it, let me know how to work the settings. What's the preferred settings to have it on? Okay. I'm back, right? Here it is. And I also realized it takes AA batteries. Not only it takes the batteries that I showed you guys on a previous clip, it also takes AA batteries, right? So we don't have to wait to see how it sounds waiting 10, 20, 30 minutes to charge because it takes batteries. That's pretty fucking cool. That's pretty cool. It takes batteries and it takes the other battery that you can charge, right? Now, if there's any kids on here, I'm so sorry. I'm cursing. My apologies. Forgive me. Forgive me. Okay, anyway, let's get to it, man. I'm finna put the mic on. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ooh, put that right there. Put that right there. And then, you feel me? Okay, it's actually on now. I'm not sure if it's working or not. I really hope it is. Let me see, let me take it up. I mean, it's in there. It looks really good.
It looks really, really good. I like this. Yeah, I like this. I like this. It looks like official, professional, whatever them, you know, you feel all them words. Official, professional. It looks good. Yeah, there you go. So I really hope it's getting the audio of my voice right. I'm already knowing that it sounds way better than my Canon T7i mic that's built in. Excuse me. I'm already knowing it sounds completely better. I'm really curious how it sounds, right? So let me know in the comment section, one, how I can adjust the settings if I even need to. I may be able to leave it the way it is, but let me know because I'm not sure. Or two, right? Two, let me know the settings, or just let me know how it sounds, the comparison from the mic and without the mic, with mic, without mic, mic, no mic, mic, no mic, no mic, mic, right? Let me know how it sounds, guys. You know, again, I'm gonna be going crazy with content. You know, I want to do this unboxing video, right? You know, until I had a little technical difficulties with the batteries, and what I realized was I was putting the battery in the right way, but the whole time it was dead. Duh. Anyway, we'll get to it, man. It takes AAA batteries, AA batteries, man. I can charge it, right? It look good on my Canon camera. It look official. I got the ring light. I got the little setup over here like this too. You feel me? Ooh. You feel me? Oh, I got the. Hold on, look at that. I got another microphone right here. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Come on, man. Thank you guys again for supporting me, and like this video, man. Subscribe to my channel, man. I have so much more content for you guys, man. Love.